Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will discuss some amazing uses of activated charcoal for health and beauty benefits. You may have heard of the beauty benefits of activated charcoal. Nowadays, the markets are flooded with skincare products such as face wash and cleanser that contain this highly absorbent ingredient. Apart from beauty benefits, it's also used for health benefits. You can consume activated charcoal in its powder, capsule, or tablet form. Here are some amazing uses of activated charcoal for health and beauty benefits. Use of activated charcoal for gas, bloating, and acid reflux. Activated charcoal provides relief in gas, helps you treat acid reflux as it neutralizes and absorbs the acids in your stomach. It has a porous surface that easily absorbs and traps the excess gas in your body to provide relief from gas and bloating. Pour 1 teaspoon of activated charcoal powder in a glass of water. Mix them and drink to get rid of acid reflux. Use of activated charcoal for digestion. Activated charcoal helps improve the functioning of your digestive system. Things you will need for this remedy: activated charcoal powder, honey, lemon, ice cubes, and chilled water. Take about half a teaspoon of activated charcoal powder in a jar. Add the freshly squeezed juice of 1 lemon. Add 1 teaspoon of honey as well. Pour 1 glass of chilled water into the jar. Add some ice cubes. Mix well and drink. You can drink this lemonade 2 to 3 times a week to keep your digestive system in good order. Use of activated charcoal for spider bites. This absorbent black powder is highly effective for treating spider bites as it neutralizes the venom, speeds up the healing process, and removes the toxins released by the spider. Use it immediately after getting bitten to draw out the poison from the wound. Mix around 1 teaspoon of activated charcoal powder with just enough water to make a thick, smooth paste. Apply it to the spider bite. Cover it up with some medical tape. Leave it on for 4 hours before washing it off. Do this several times a day for at least 2 days to completely treat and cure your spider bite. Use of activated charcoal for bee stings. A bee sting can be particularly painful and cause severe allergic reaction if the toxins that came with the sting are not removed from the wound. You can use this DIY black drawing salve made with activated charcoal to treat a bee sting quickly and properly. Things you will need for this remedy: activated charcoal powder, clay powder, shea butter, beeswax, olive oil, honey, lavender essential oil, vitamin E oil, and coconut oil. Set up a double boiler, keep it on low heat, pour 1 tablespoon of beeswax into the glass bowl, add 2 teaspoons of shea butter as well, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and coconut oil, blend all the ingredients on low heat. Once it's done, turn off the heat and use an oven mat to remove the glass bowl from the pan. Let the bowl cool down a little. Then add half tablespoon of honey. Pierce and empty 1 vitamin E capsule into the bowl. Add 10 drops of lavender essential oil. Mix well to get a uniform blend. Add 1 tablespoon of activated charcoal powder to the liquid blend. Add 2 tablespoons of natural clay as well. Mix thoroughly to get a smooth mixture. Transfer it to an airtight jar and let it solidify. Apply the salt to the stung area using clean fingers. Cover with a bandage to prevent it from being accidentally wiped off. Leave it on for at least 6 to 8 hours or overnight for best results. Apply this salve for 1 to 2 days to successfully heal the stung area. Use of activated charcoal for food poisoning and stomach bugs. The excellent absorption properties of activated charcoal can also be used to treat the symptoms of food poisoning and eliminate harmful stomach bugs in the process. Add 1 teaspoon of activated charcoal powder to a glass of water. Mix well and drink to alleviate the symptoms of food poisoning such as diarrhea and abnormal cramps. Drink plenty of water afterward to flush out your system. Take 1 to 2 doses in a day to manage the worst of your food poisoning. Use of activated charcoal for acne. Activated charcoal is also an excellent remedy to get rid of acne. It absorbs excess oil, blackheads and impurities to give you smooth, clear and blemish-free skin. Things you will need for this remedy: activated charcoal powder, tea tree essential oil and witch hazel. Take 1 teaspoon of activated charcoal powder in a container. Add 3 to 4 drops of tea tree essential oil to it. Add 1 teaspoon of witch hazel extract as well. Mix well with a cotton swab to get a uniform blend. Using the same swab, apply the mask over the acne affected areas. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes or till the mask dries completely. Apply this mask every alternate day to treat persistent acne. Afterward, apply it 1 to 2 times a week to keep acne at bay. Use of activated charcoal for body odor. Body odor often occurs because of excessive sweating. It is also fortified by the presence of toxins in your system. Take activated charcoal internally to detoxify your body and get rid of strong or foul body odor in the process. Mix 1/4 teaspoon of activated charcoal powder in a glass of water and drink daily on an empty stomach to eliminate foul body odor. Drink activated charcoal 2 to 3 times a week to banish strong body odor. Use of activated charcoal for diarrhea. Activated charcoal provides relief from diarrhea to absorb the harmful toxins. Mix 1 teaspoon of activated charcoal powder in a glass of water. Drink the solution to get relief from diarrhea. If you prefer to take capsules, wash down 4 activated charcoal capsules with water. Do this once a day till your stomach returns to normal. For more severe cases of diarrhea, take activated charcoal every 3 to 4 hours for relief. Use of activated charcoal for DIY toothpaste to whiten teeth. A DIY activated charcoal toothpaste is a natural way to whiten your teeth and also eliminate bad breath. Things you will need for this remedy: activated charcoal powder, natural clay, sea salt, organic ground cloves, xylitol powder, coconut oil, peppermint essential oil and filtered water. Add half teaspoon of activated charcoal powder to a mixing bowl. Add 1/4 teaspoon of ground organic cloves. Add 2 teaspoons of xylitol powder as well. Pour 2 tablespoons of natural clay powder into the bowl. Add 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt as well. Pour 1 tablespoon of melted coconut oil into the mixture. Add 2 tablespoons of filtered water. Finally, add 10 drops of peppermint essential oil as well. Mix well with a spoon to get a uniform mixture. Transfer the mixture to an airtight glass jar. Use a toothbrush to dab the prepared paste on your tooth. Lightly brush your teeth for 1 minute. Leave the paste on for 3 minutes and then rinse your mouth with water. Do this once daily to whiten your teeth and freshen your breath. Use of activated charcoal for kidney pain. Activated charcoal also comes to the rescue if you are suffering from kidney pain or any other kidney problems. Mix 1 teaspoon of activated charcoal powder in a glass of water and drink twice daily to detoxify your body. Repeat daily for at least 2 weeks or till the pain goes away. Use of activated charcoal for irritable bowel syndrome or IBS. Activated charcoal is very helpful to eliminate the symptoms of IBS. Mix 1 teaspoon of activated charcoal powder in a glass of water and drink twice daily to treat and prevent IBS flare-ups. The daily recommended limit for patients with IBS is 20 grams per day. Thanks for watching this video. Like and share this video and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos.